As the money comes into your communities, it will be wise to think about balancing the demands of tribal members saying, give me my piece now, and the value of building things that have lasting value. Because a generation from now, nobody's going to remember if grandma got a really nice truck. But they will remember if you do something that builds fluent speakers of our language, carriers of our culture, and things like that. They will remember if you build your economic systems for sustainability. In a healthy economy, a dollar will circulate 9 times. Somebody gets paid their check, they buy stuff at the grocery store, their housing, all the different things, and then the grocer will spend their money in the community. It circulates multiple times. In an indigenous economy, in this system, it is set up as an extractive industry. We get our check, we drive off the res and spend all of our money, and none of it circulates in our community for our benefit. We get money to build houses, we hire a non-native construction company to come into our space to get paid a bunch of money to build our houses. We are literally circulating dollars 0 times. And that does not have to be that way. Why don't we run the construction company, the cement plant, the funeral home, the bank?